Another super easy DIY. All right, so I have this faux plant from Target. It was like $5, but the planter that it came in isn't super cute. So I'm just gonna take these Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna make like a faux planter to go over this one right here. So you can do them stacked up like you see online, but I'm just going to put them around. So it's gonna take about 2 rows. I counted it out. So I'm using about 20 of the blocks. This is about the same size as the glass vases from Dollar Tree. So you can do this with those two. You would just need more rows going up. I'm going to paint mine black. You could stain these. You can paint them a different color. You can do alternating colors and do like a checkered type print. You can do so many cute little things with these. But I'm going to paint the front, the top, the bottom. And at first I wasn't doing it, but I realized I needed to paint the sides because on some of the curves, the pieces will, you'll see the sides, just like a little peek of it. So you want to paint all of those. You don't have to worry about the back because that part will be glued down. So once everything dried, and then I'm just going to come in and I'm going to glue them directly to the planter. You can glue them to each other and do it that way. But this was just super easy just to do it like this. And I don't think I'm going to be changing it. So I just glued it directly on. So I just put a little bit of strip of hot glue and then I got them as close as possible. And I went all the way around and it was a good fit. So like I said, I think this is about the same size as the Dollar Tree vase. So if you're doing like a Dollar Tree vase, I think the Jengas will fit all the way around. But if you are doing a glass vase and you'll be able to see in the inside, I would also paint the back part too. And I wouldn't go as heavy with the glue. I might just use dabs of a stronger glue just to keep it in place. Once I did the bottom, then I'm going to do the top. You can do it directly on top of each of the Jenga blocks. But then I just wanted to do kind of like a staggered look. So I put them kind of in the middle and then just did around the whole thing just like I did for the bottom part. And that was really it. You can like jazz this up and put like a nice trim on this, but I did add these little wood beads. I added 3 of them at the bottom for the feet, and that was it. It was super quick, super easy. If you like, give it a big old thumbs up.